Welcome to another edition of the Market Opening Gong, where we bring you updates from the Nigerian capital market. There was no activity on Monday because of the public holiday declared by the federal government. We bring you some key developments to watch this week as the year rounds up. In the fixed income and bond segment, ProShare Research expects the funding rates to continue to trend lower, barring any funding obligation in the money market. It also expects participation in the NTB market to remain quiet this week as a result of the depressed and unattractive yields. ProShare projects the bond market will continue in a quiet trend in the week, while the CBN will continue its FX management strategy in supporting the Naira at the parallel and IE window in the foreign exchange market. Let us give you some continental and global market news and updates. First, South Africa's main equities index declined, led by Naspers Limited and its Prosus NV unit after Hong Kong-listed Tencent Holdings Limited slumped amid a widening Chinese antitrust probe of the technology sector. With a stake of about 31%, Prosus is Tencent's largest shareholder. The benchmark FTSE/JSE Africa All-Share Index fell 0.8% to 58,721 at 10:25 a.m. in Johannesburg, with cyclical sectors including oil, automotive and travel, and leisure down the most. Without the decline in Naspers, which accounts for 17% of the index, the benchmark would be up. This is courtesy of Bloomberg. Still from Bloomberg, the US equities joined global gains after President Donald Trump backed away from earlier threats and signed a coronavirus aid package. Banks were among the best performers on the S&P 500 index after the president's surprise approval of the combined $2.3 trillion COVID-19 relief and government funding package. Germany's DAX index rose to a record and the MSCI Asia Pacific index was up about 0.2%. Treasuries retreated and the dollar ticked lower. US investors cheered the signing of the US aid package, restoring some of the optimism that drove global stocks to a record this month, even as the pandemic escalated. In approving the bill, the president also demanded a vote in Congress to replace the planned $600 in direct stimulus payments with $2,000, a non-binding request that is unlikely to pass both chambers. Still, Goldman Sachs Group upgraded its first quarter US economic growth forecast because of the measure. You can also check for global, commodity, currency, and other indices on the economic dashboard showing on your screen. After a two-day holiday to mark the Christmas and Boxing Day celebrations, market activities will resume across board in Nigeria today, and Web TV will be here to give you all the updates and information. And that brings us to the end of this edition of the Market Opening Gong. Visit www.proshareng.com to get more market updates. Do connect with us on our social media platforms displaying on your screen. Until we come your way again, thank you for watching.